Next up, the post-production room key. Quick note, check out maps.techno.com, a side project I put tons of effort into for everything you'll need to know about Arena Breakout and far more. From key locations to loot and even tips and tricks, it's got it all. maps.techno.com. This key is used on a TV station and you'll need to find your way to the first floor to the far east. In the middle side, you'll find the interview room here, and just to the south, the post-production room. The easiest way to get here is, of course, this eastern passageway. It's super dangerous, but find your way down the stairs and across to here. Let's do it. I'm starting in this little room next to it. There is not too much cover here. We'll essentially need to make it past these stairs and to the next door. Doing exactly that, we'll move into the broadcast control room, where inside of here, you'll see this door here, and a window where you can see if it's been looted or not, and a window where you can see what kind of loot we have. So let's head into this room here, unlocking, and behind here we have a military computer, some general loose loot, a filing cabinet, jacket, a safe, and some more general loose loot. Looking past the loose loot, the safe has, on lockdown, these items for me. That's pretty good. Of course, this is lockdown though. Then the jacket on the wall here has these items. The filing cabinet, bottom drawer had this, the middle drawer had this, and the top drawer had this. Not bad. Then looking over on the table, no good loose loot here. And finally, the military computer right next to it. I got these items from. It's okay. Anyways, that's really about it for this quick room. Some loose loot, military computer, filing cabinet, jacket, safe, more loose loot. That's it. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.